At Parker Dominic Hunter, we continually innovate novel technologies to overcome the challenges faced by the food industry, now and in the future. 1/3 of all food is disposed of before it reaches consumers, and as the world's population continues to grow, there is an increasing demand for safe, stable, and nutritionally rich packaged dairy products. There is also a demand for products containing functional components and novel ingredients, which represent unique processing challenges and increased risk of contamination. In order to deliver stable packaged foods at the lowest cost, great care must be taken to reduce contamination and wastage whilst maximizing productivity. In typical daily processes, microbial threats to product quality are present everywhere. One area of concern for contamination is where your final product is in direct contact with processed gas. So how can you ensure microbial control whilst reducing processing costs? Sterile gas filters are used as the final barrier, eliminating all microorganisms, preventing product contamination. Typically, they're hydrophobic, which means that any moisture present does not block the membrane to the passage of gas. To maintain aseptic conditions during product storage or filling, the filter is required to be repeatedly sterilized, usually with steam. As steam contacts colder parts of the process, it will collapse to form liquid condensate. When using conventional hydrophobic gas filters, if condensate is not removed adequately, there is a real risk of damage through buildup of back pressure. If damage is not detected, the filter will not operate effectively, compromising the process and potentially leading to non-conformances through contamination. This issue can be avoided through draining off the condensate. However, this process is unfavourable as it requires connections to the sterile pipe. It increases the risk of contamination and adds expense to the process. At Parker Dominic Hunter, we've been working with leading dairy producers and system builders to overcome these common issues and have developed an innovative concept for sterile gas filtration systems. Our new Asept-X filter range significantly increases sterility and hygiene standards, whilst reducing the cost of sterile gas processes. Our design uses an innovative PTFE membrane, which allows the passage of liquid condensate without restricting gas flow. The Asept-X is capable of withstanding significantly more reverse SIP processes than alternative products, without the need for condensate management or any requirement to remove bulk liquid condensate on the sterile side of the filter. Engineering, automation and hardware costs are also reduced because there is no need to manage the condensate removal during reverse SIP practices. Our innovation safeguards the sterile gas process, reduces the risk of contamination and improves filter lifetime significantly, driving significant cost savings. Parker Dominic Hunter are the experts in sterile gas filtration.